Hello everyone, this is sadout.gallery. My name is Sherry, and in this video let's make this beautiful photo frame with resin and dried flowers. First of all, here I'm using a combination of these pink and cream powder pigments. I mix them with clear resin, and then this is my mold. Here I'm pouring my resin with two different colors inside my mold. Obviously you can use any color that you like. Then I use my heat gun to mix the colors together and have a nice and beautiful background. After 1 to 2 hours after the resin is a little bit sticky, I put the picture inside my mold, and then I start arranging the flowers and the dried leaves the way I like around my picture. Again, this part is up to you. You can use any kind of flowers that you like. And after I finish arranging my flowers, I pour another layer of clear resin. I give it 24 hours and my beautiful photo frame is ready.